Namaste, Adab, Sat Sri Akal. Welcome to another episode of an in-house Unacademy production. बहुत time हो गया है वैसे since we've done this. I think the last time we did this was with Nishant sir. Yes, it's been a long time. Let's grill your educators, find out more, and ask them to unleash themselves after the huge marathons that they have taken. So let's get right in. So welcome Deepika ma'am.
Thank you.
Welcome
Thank you.
Kunal sir
Thank
to
you.
Unacademy office. The HQ. How are you liking it?
Yeah, this is an amazing setup. The entire academy is so beautiful. It was a lovely experience.
We're not
coming
paying
to
them to say this.
Not, but then I must say that this setup is amazing. The energy is different, and we're totally loving it here. And yes, to meet all these lovely people, it's amazing.
But we would also really like to congratulate to both of you. The way you guys took marathon was absolutely amazing, and I think you both deserve applaud for that, guys. If you haven't checked out, please go and check out our channel on which these two wonderful educators took collaborative marathon. So this was an experiment which I and Malika we both were discussing months back. कि दो चीज़ें होती है जब आपके पास एक ही सब्जेक्ट के मल्टीपल टीचर्स होते हैं, हाउ यू हेल्प देम टू टीम अप, क्योंकि दोनों में जो एक कॉम्पिटिटिवनेस होता है वो राइवलरी होती है, तो उसको हम कैसे हेल्दी कंपटीशन कर सकते हैं. सो दैट्स द फर्स्ट थिंग. एंड सेकंड थिंग, गेटिंग देम इन अ सिंगल फ्रेम. यू ऑलवेज सी दैट कोलैब सेशंस आर टेकन इन अ जूम कॉल, सो वहाँ छोटे छोटे डब्बे में हम लोग दिखाई देते हैं. एंड वी बोथ वर वर्किंग ऑन दैट एंड आई थिंक वी आर सक्सेसफुल. कांग्रेचुलेशन.
Congratulations.
सो अब अगला मौका किसको देंगे हम बुलाने के?
Sir, आप सवाल मैं पूछूंगी.
ओके.
Actually, sir को आदत है ना host बनने की, so he just
हाँ, या.
he's a resident host.
Yes.
Host and host of everything our academy does. I actually want to ask next question to both of you. ऐसे नहीं लग रहा है कि आप लोग फॉरेन कंट्री में हो और जो भी इंडिया से आ रहा है आप उनको रिसीव कर रहे हो. Does it really feel like you're hosting educators
Yes,
and
every
like
month.
incubating them here and like नहीं यहाँ जाना, यहाँ खाना, ये करना, ऐसे कैमरे में देखना.
एंड दैट टू यू नो द आयरनी इज, हमको खुद को बहुत पता नहीं है बैंगलोर के बारे में क्योंकि हम खुद आपसे पूछते हैं,
इसलिए आप सबको घर बुला लेते हो.
इसलिए हम सबको घर बुलाते हैं. अतिथि देव भव, अतिथि देव भव. बट यस, इट्स वंडरफुल. मतलब मुझे याद है कि लास्ट ईयर इस टाइम हम लोग बैंगलोर आए थे, यू होस्टेड अस, आई रिमेंबर, यू नो. आप जो पहले रेस्टोरेंट लेके गए थे, आज भी हम वहीं जाते हैं जब भी कोई ढंग का खाना खाना होता है, बिकॉज दैट्स द ओनली रेस्टोरेंट वी लाइक इन बैंगलोर.
Let's be specific. I'm sure sir does not like experimenting with food.
But yeah, it was amazing,
With
and
food.
it feels good because you as a leader are also welcoming your team. It's a new experience क्योंकि आज तक आप जिसको स्क्रीन पे देखते हो वो आपके सामने बैठे हैं. So ऐसा होता है ना कि आप स्क्रीन पे हाइट नहीं देख सकते हो, आप स्क्रीन पे सिर्फ इतना देख सकते हो, मोटा है, पतला है, नाटा है, लंबा है, सब कुछ मिलने के बाद पता है ओ आइला इतना लंबा निकला. So those type of things it happens. जैसे सर की चप्पल बहुत अमेजिंग है. सर यहाँ पे he came in bathroom slippers over here और वो कोई और फुटवेयर नहीं लाया. कैन यू बिलीव? मतलब अगर मैं रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा हमारे सर की चप्पल पे जूम करके दिखा सकें what type of sleeper, Malaika Arora type slippers he is wearing.
So I planned if I come to Bangalore, I'll shop. Not find good.
तो खरीदने के लिए चप्पल ही मिली और कुछ नहीं मिली.
Sir, वैसे आजकल all apps deliver to whichever city in India.
Best,
You are there.
best. And you stay in Nagpur.
Like our Unacademy Educator app makes you reach any place in the country or the world.
Yes.
All apps of the world will deliver your utility.
That was the reason you make me sit here, right? So people can see my sleepers.
So not a lot of people know, or maybe you all do know, ma'am, you are actually settled in Nepal,
Yes.
right? And how does it feel to genuinely be working with a wholesome Indian company
Yeah.
and working remotely and yet feeling a part of the family and the culture? And how are you liking that experience?
See, working with Unacademy has been really amazing, and I would not deny to the fact that it has been a life-changing experience for me to be guided by such good mentors like Anshul sir. And of course, you keep guiding us all the time. So
Again,
I
not
must say
paid.
that I am actually happy with the workspace, and because of the whole digitalization process, now that I am in Kathmandu, but I can still work from Kathmandu and can take classes, and it's really, really interesting to me. The concept itself is interesting. The Unacademy, which is India's largest learning app, is a very, very interesting concept, and it is life changing not only for educators, but I think in this pandemic it has changed a lot of lives of students as well. So yeah,
Perfect.
thanks.
Swati ma'am, my next question is to you. When we started off, like almost a year and a half ago, you were the only female educator that we have had, and we've been up and downs and all. But now finally we have like a few coming in, especially Deepika ma'am turning out to be one of the pillars. How are you feeling about that?
Because कभी-कभी ऐसा होता है, like the positive side, you feel really good, and at times in my sessions I generally keep on thinking, see, I'm the only female educator in the top 10.
She got all the pampers.
Yeah. And at times you feel like talking to someone, and maybe at times flipping, or maybe at times sharing the experience, then you have no one. So it has the sides. But yes, with Deepika ma'am, we also had few sessions together, and it was fun. So it is always good when you have someone to share that particular
We're
platform.
definitely looking forward to more female educators joining us. Please join Unacademy.
Yeah.
But I think you have not introduced yourself.
That's
Ah.
okay. You don't need to.
So yeah, we need to.
Sir, exactly.
No thanks.
All I want to tell you is yes, there is a wonderful platform for working females as well, because बहुत मजा आता है, and you have to be at home and together.
So truly work from home. Truly work from home. So मैम एक आपसे मेरे को क्वेश्चन पूछना था in between of Swati मैम. 1 Indian rupees is equal to 1.6 Nepalian. तो आपको जो सैलरी मिलती है वो आप तो मलेगा मैम आई थिंक देयर इज अ स्कोप है ना, देयर इज अ स्कोप ऑफ
So I spend more Indian currency in India only.
आए ये but you buy tomato, onion, potato from Nepal na, so you spend in Nepalian rupees.
Deepika ma'am wants to go to Salvatore Ferragamo and have something for herself.
On this question, Deepika ma'am's instant reply will be, now I'm shifting to US, increase my salary 75 times what it is now.
Chaliye, amazing. My
But
next
yeah,
question.
introduction to Malika ma'am. Yeah, जो अभी आपने कहा है सुना है वो अलग है, but Unacademy office में I think there is a lot of female staff working,
a
lot of
lot of them, and this is not just like there will be like a leeway, like taking a different turn, but it is absolutely wonderful to see so many women working, and this is immaterial of their status, whether they're single, they're married or not. Everybody genuinely it has been given equal opportunity, and they're doing wonders, as we all can see. Like आप office में नीचे जाओगे, like
Yeah.
our K-12 ladies, like I was
and all the levels, all the
that,
like from
at all
manager,
levels.
senior man. Even I think
every
हमारे
level.
पास top most.
We just had Tina Balachandran, who got
Balachandran
promoted to an
senior VP.
SVP.
SVP.
Yes, that is great. So great on that. Now, next question to
Yes.
Kunal sir. Kunal sir, you're from Nagpur.
Yeah.
If I'm not wrong, you've been teaching around for 10 years around the same city. Correct. Do you feel that Unacademy has helped you expand even in the way that you're teaching?
100%. See, basically coming to Unacademy, see in Nagpur there was a very limited crowd, very less competition, and that is the reason कि वहाँ पे even if you are the best, you might not be best in entire country.
No, I also want to ask you this question specifically because I remember when we onboarded him, he was one of the only educators that while operating out of a small city was working with a setup that all our educators operate with. He was standing and teaching, he had a smart board, he had his mics and cameras. So you did a lot of investment there where it's not required. So clearly you had a longer vision, but how has that been fruitful ever since you've come to Unacademy?
Obviously, after coming to Unacademy, the student crowd has increased, the student base has increased. Even I am getting messages from Pakistan, from Nepal, and across the country. Yes. The first class I took, I feel the first class I took, there was messages from somewhere from Northeast, somewhere from a student from Chennai, and it was amazing interacting with them. Especially the new feature which Unacademy has added, I must tell, that hand raise concept. I can talk to, in a single class, I can talk to so many students from different part of country. Even that is the experience. So you feel that the student base you are catering is from the entire India. That is a different experience.
That is wonderful, guys, because there always is like a little bit of hesitation even when you're running a company like this, that you are moving educators completely from an offline to online platform. The idea is they should not lose their craft.
Yeah.
Right? So that is great that educators here have absolutely kept it alive. There couldn't be a better peak I could have a conversation with about. Anshul sir, of course, you will have more questions and answers to whatever I say. But my question to you is, sir, when you joined Unacademy, I am sure you also did not know completely what you were stepping into, right? And over the year, you've also upskilled yourself. You've also taken up a lot more responsibility, and you look at things with a lot more perspective because you've been speaking to so many more educators. What has been your single most fulfilling feeling, if I may put it that way, as being a leader of Unacademy, apart from just teaching? Because you spend a lot of time interacting with all the educators. What has been the most fulfilling part about that?
The biggest contentment I would like to say is that, most of the educators who are successful in Unacademy were not the big educators before they came to Unacademy. But they came over here, they grew up themselves, and now they are the top educators of Unacademy. I remember each and every single interview that I took for that sake. Nishant Kumar, Akhilesh Daga, everyone, Pranav Popat, Tejas Suchak, every single educator out of them, I remember. So I can say I've got an educator out of a student. They all were literally like a student. Just passed out. They just passed out. They just started teaching. They were clueless how to teach, what to teach. I remember, I would like to cite first batch with Nishant Kumar, and I showed him that, sir, ये मेरा calculation है, CA Foundation Accounts, 150 hours का syllabus है, and he was wondering like, sir, how it happens? मुझे तो पता ही नहीं है कि मेरा syllabus कितने घंटे का, because it was his first batch. So वहाँ से उनकी grooming start हुई, और आज आप उनमें से किसी को भी पूछोगे ना, उन्हें पता है कि कितने chapters को कितने hours लगते हैं, batch कितने hours का होगा. So they are, yeah. And that's really wonderful that people know them. People know them, people meet them. I've been in meetups in so many cities now. So the feeling that I saw, there was a guy, he said that my father is ironing clothes, unki ek tapri hai, kapde press karte hain. And my father is not able to afford, and I passed CA Foundation just by watching YouTube and special classes. I think that's the biggest contentment for us as an Unacademy, right?
Beautiful. Such stories are what make up for everything that we'll have to do extra or work more and things like that. My next question is not going to be so heavy, guys. It's going to be light, and you have to be as honest as possible here. First impressions of Anshul sir.
Anshul sir, okay, the first impression was strict.
Perfect. I needed to keep it light. First impression of Anshul sir is an educator. बहुत साल हो गए होंगे.
So I mean, very dedicated, and he knows what he's doing.
ये baby है.
Exactly.
It's okay. Sir, yours.
Yeah, it was like we are in a cricket team and he's the captain. ये करना है, ये plans and things and stuff. Like वो Kabir Khan वाला scene. Coach and captain.
Anshul sir, your first impressions on everybody. We'll skip Swati ma'am for this one.
Okay, first impression.
He will check out very thin lines.
No, first impression for Deepika ma'am, short-heighted. I didn't expect it that she'll be so short-heighted. When I met her for the first time, Haila, ये तो इतनी सी है. So that was the first impression. For Swati, I would say she was not a teacher at all. So when I see any class of hers right now also, I remember me giving her training in an empty classroom years back. So that is how she groomed. So I really am very happy. First impression.
He has adopted Swati.
No. Everyone becomes a, भगवान कहते हैं ना, जरिया बना देता है किसी ना किसी को. तो या मेरे किस्मत में था. First impression about Kunal sir. Actually, I can't express in one word or sentence, because our ice breaking actually happened when I went to Nagpur. वो जो समय कुणाल सर के साथ स्पेंड किया ना वहाँ पे, वो I can't express. Like we were together for 2 days. So जो perceptions थे वो change हुए. जो perceptions थे वो बहुत change हुए हैं. So yeah, he's an amazing teacher, wonderful person, and yeah, need to change certain habits.
Great. Okay, I have another question. Very simple, basic. Why most of the educators right now are obsessed with Apple? I see Apple watches, Apple
No,
phones. What is
nothing. No,
happening?
nothing.
She'll soon become. So, why is that?
किसके लिए?
आप दोनों के पास ही, आपके पास भी है. Watch नहीं है, but phone तो है.
नहीं.
Really?
Yeah. never.
Anshul sir?
No. Like,
Everyone
this
has
is
to
again my
finance
choice.
their own.
No, but what
my
is this
choice.
obsession with Apple? Because I've not just y'all, I've seen a lot of educators like suddenly start wearing like watches and
क्या करेंगे? मतलब ये stickers है सब ये
Sure.
MI है
दूसरी
ये
watches है, हाँ,
ये
exactly.
MI है. We'll just peel off the sticker and you can
Sure.
see MI. ये देखो नीचे MI दिख रहा
Sure,
होगा.
Okay, guys. Okay. Next question, specifically to Deepika ma'am and Anshul sir. You all are not just educators on YouTube. You have been a YouTuber.
Right.
You have become a YouTuber. You started your vlogging channel. एक difference बताइए. Let's keep it crisp.
Okay. So being a YouTuber earlier, like I am a YouTuber, but earlier I used to not teach. So a YouTuber, there's the sense of responsibility was a little less regarding कि मुझे ये पढ़ाना है और ये करना है. But then as an educator, I think I've become even more responsible, and the dedication level has gone to a next level. I think I've become more sincere in life.
Perfect.
Difference you asked, right? You have to just mind your tongue. That's all. Yeah.
बच्चे जो देखते हैं वो सीखते हैं.
See, मैं यहाँ पे कोई यूट्यूबर्स का नाम नहीं लेना चाहता, बट जिन यूट्यूबर्स के वीडियो बहुत चलते हैं वो इसीलिए चलते हैं क्योंकि वो सब चीज़ें बोलते हैं जो हम एज एन एड्यूट्यूबर्स नहीं बोल सकते.
Bingo.
No, but I like that culture.
20 रुपए दोगे तो मैं बताऊंगा. 20 रुपए दो.
नहीं. I like this culture of the fact that a lot of our educators are also, either becoming YouTubers or have become YouTubers and become educators, because I truly feel that we need a lot more educational influencers, right? If you are going to influence people, there is nothing that can happen bad with
But
learning
there's
a
a
lot.
reason
Little
to
more.
it.
Just
The
learn
reason
more.
to it is when you are teaching, you have to add creativity to it.
Right.
And the moment you add creativity, you become a creator. As simple as that.
All of you are
So
content
you
creators,
don't
no
realize कि आप कब educator से edutuber और फिर YouTuber बन गए. You
Yes.
actually don't realize.
Perfect. Okay. Basic questions. What is that one question that you've always wanted to ask Anshul sir but are scared to ask?
How much you earn per month?
That's a hot one.
very
Deepika ma'am, what about you?
Where do you get this energy to work like 24/7?
Yeah.
What about you, ma'am? I'm sure you will also have something. It's okay. What happens here stays here. Anshul sir is scared now.
हाँ,
क्या बोलेगी?
Okay. What is the next plan? Like, what's next thing that you want to do now? So like it's done. Like you have been teaching. You are
Every
teaching
morning,
online.
a new idea takes birth in my
And
mind.
that always scares me. Like, yeah.
Yeah, so and Malika also knows about it very well because when we also discuss within the team what is to be
I
done,
like
what's
how
not.
he completely ignored us. That's the sign of a
I think
good
you will also do that. You will not get answers.
100%.
Yeah,
I
I feel you.
Sir, who is your best law educator?
Who is best law
Yes.
educator?
It's because यहाँ पे there are 3 law educators. 3 law educators.
This will be has to be Swati ma'am. If it is not Swati
No,
ma'am,
they
then
put
there's a
क्या
Sir,
problem.
घर जाना sir को घर जाना है.
Please,
Yeah,
she's a
So
provider of
he'll be
energy.
naming some like fourth person.
every person is good at his own place. She
Oh,
has
that
good
is so
delivery.
political
She is very
diplomatic
polite.
answer.
And he has very good energy. So, and Indiresh Gandhi, oh, bless you. You are also very good educator. आज हमारे
Again, duck
बीच
the
अगर
question.
होते थे तो
Again, duck the question.
आज हमारे बीच अगर होते थे
You have to, right? I mean, like, if he wants to
Yeah.
continue making
You
real
like
impact.
Malika ma'am is actually being safe कि अभी कोई मुझसे ना पूछ ले who's your favorite educator.
No, I have very simple answers, Anshul sir.
Huh?
Always play from his team.
So we also get a chance to ask questions to her, right? In this session.
I'm the host, guys. I'm the host, guys. Okay, let's move on. I'm going to make an exception here. Like, I like all educators, like Anshul sir. The thing is, I speak to Anshul sir every single day. Like I wake up with his calls, and thankfully there are no night calls. But yeah, I do speak to him.
because I sleep
She's
early.
saying thankful.
But the most fun educator to speak to, I genuinely feel, is Nishant sir.
Yeah.
Because like Nishant sir ना अगर वो like seriously बात करना चाहते हैं ना, कुछ आ जाता है उनके बीच में. I
मैम
love
आप
it.
थोड़ा एक्ट करके बताएंगे उनके कोई ऐसा कैची डायलॉग या टैगलाइन जैसे वो बात करते हैं, कुछ कोई ऐसा वर्ड.
निष्ठा.
कट करो इसको, कट करो. ये हम सब लोगों की रोजी रोटी पे.
There is nothing I've heard him say more.
नहीं, मैं आपको बताता हूँ. जैसे हम लोग कहते हैं ना, हमें किसी का कॉल है, हम आपको बाद में कॉल करते हैं, तो नहीं सर हम आपको मिलाते हैं, हम थोड़ी देर से आपको मिलाते हैं सर, मिलाते हैं. सो निशांत सर हैज दैट यूपी वाली हिंदी.
But like, he's so childlike, it's beautiful. It's absolutely.
चारू मैम अगर आप ये वीडियो देख रहे हैं तो आपकी गृहस्थी को खतरा है. चारू मैम मतलब
It's
निशांत
not-
सर की
it's
वाइफ.
not from here, it's definitely from YouTube and Instagram. There are enough of his fans there. Okay. Great. I think we have done a bit of ice breaking and given you a lot of insight.
Masala.
We'll be doing this a lot more, but thank you so much for not just joining us, for staying with us, for supporting the educators
Yes.
through and through, and more importantly, for learning from them, from making your skills better, from absorbing from their content, and doing well in your own lives.
Yeah, so we at an academy always try to make an effort that when and how we can invite our educators who are teaching across India and now even outside India, हम उनको बैंगलोर बुलाएं, let them make feel कि वो किस organization का part है. So thanks to Malika ma'am,
You'll
thanks
see
to
this a lot.
me, मतलब हम लोगों ने इन दोनों को बुलाया है. और हम in the times to come we are going to invite more such educators. और जब यहाँ पे आएंगे तो सिर्फ पढ़ाई नहीं होगी, ऐसे बहुत सारे गपशप सेशंस चलते रहेंगे, so that you get a sneak peek in the life of your educators. Before we sign off, very important. Don't laugh
Very
here.
important.
If you want to buy any of the subscriptions at an academy's platform, any category, whether it is CA or anything, so CA to get है.
CA, UPSC, IIT, JEE, NEET,
Yeah.
etc.
judiciary.
And the best code is Kunal. KUNAL.
Any of us, like you can use Kunal's code.
She proved that she's polite.
Or you can use Swati then. Or you can use
See, Deepika.
You can-
With double E.
You can actually use anyone's code if you're buying one month subscription, but if you're buying long-term subscriptions, use my name as my code ANSHUL Anshul. But I would like to ask a last question to all these three people who are saying, what do you get when someone uses your code?
Can we say that?
Validation, affection, motivation, and lot of inspiration
And continuity.
We should end with that.
Answer of the day.
We should end with that. Thank you so much.
और जाने से पहले कहेंगे सिर्फ इतना, पढ़ते रहो, सीखते रहो, आगे बढ़ते रहो, क्योंकि पढ़ना बंद तो सीखना बंद, और सीखना बंद तो आगे बढ़ना बंद. गुड डे, शाबाश.